This is Deepa Kolipara. I'm a Sujok therapist. Many of you guys must be aware of Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy. But I'm sure this is the first time you guys must be hearing the word Sujok. In Korean, Su means hand and Jok means foot. So Sujok was developed by a very great scientist called Professor J. Wu, Park J. Wu. He was one of the very brilliant scientists who integrated different therapies like chakra therapy, diamond therapy, then acupressure, acupuncture into Sujok. So what is Sujok? How do we do this treatment? What we do is we map all the body organs and the body parts into our palm and the hand, and we do a treatment, correspondence treatment to it. So if we pick the point that is corresponding to a particular organ, and if that particular organ is having a problem, we give a treatment to that particular correspondence point in the hand. So how do we do this treatment? We do it through stimulating that particular point. The stimulation can be done in many ways. Stimulation can be done with colors, stimulation can be done with seeds, they can be done with a probe like this, and we can use the acupressure ring. So we do that kind of a treatment. So definitely we can heal any kind of a problem in the body without using any chemicals. So the question that was asked was how this skill can be used. Frankly speaking, in these days, I think by now, everyone after this pandemic, everyone should understand that health is the best investment anyone can do. So rather than skill, I think Sujok should be a lifestyle change, or any kind of naturopathy should be a lifestyle change. You guys should adapt to this kind of a lifestyle, and everyone should have a knowledge of healing themselves and their loved ones around them with a natural therapy. So as I'm promoting Sujok today, I will just talk about Sujok. So that was a main concern that someone has asked me, like how the skill can be used. And career point of view, definitely, if you go around India, also you can see a lot of Sujok clinics. They are called as Smile clinics. Uh, you can definitely make a career out of it. You can see there are therapists who charge 250 for per session, so you can make a career out of it. So going further, I would like to, as we are all in this pandemic, I would like to have a session today with you guys to do some simple treatment that will protect you guys from this pandemic. Or see, I'm not saying don't wear mask or don't sanitize yourself. That has to be part of your life. But along with that, I'm going to give you some tips, like with the help of colors, how you guys can heal yourself or keep yourself protected from this virus. So let me get to this point. So when we say color therapy, we use very simple colors, sketch pens, just a random sketch pen that kids use for artwork. So any kind of artwork, So just take say simple two colors, and this has to be definitely red and yellow for this particular treatment. So I will just show you today where exactly is the corresponding point for the lung. So take a palm. In this palm, there are the 4 fingers. Today, I'm going to teach you guys the insect system. And I'm going to tell you guys where exactly the lung is located in the insect system. So this is the part. The middle part is the part where the lung is located, according to Sujok. So you can use any of the fingers, but the middle part. Okay. So what you can do is you can just paint any of the middle part of your finger with red, like this. This can be done on all the 4 fingers if you want. Okay. So what I'll explain the concept behind this, but let me maybe step by step I'll go for it. Then another thing that you need to do during Sujok for regarding this pandemic is go for, this is regarding the infection. This particular point will control the infection in the body. So, but for this, you have to go just to the middle finger. You take this point in the middle and just draw a straight line from bottom to top with a yellow color. This cannot be done on any finger. This has to be done only on the middle finger. Okay, from bottom to top, a straight line with a yellow sketch pen. Now, what is the concept? The concept behind this color, just for this particular treatment is, so this virus or any virus or bacteria, what they do is they create a coldness energy. Your lung is one of your biggest immune. So that's the reason once the lung is affected, the whole thing is affected. So what we are doing is, the virus is a coldness energy. So we are here, right here, giving your lung a heat energy. Red is the color of a heat. Okay, it is based on this five elements that everyone is aware of: the fire, water, air, space. Those five elements we are using it in Sujok for color therapy. Then the yellow is the color that will help you fight the infection. This is how this treatment can be used for virus, especially for the COVID-19. And maybe today I will give you simple tips also for small things like a headache or something like that. You can just take a red color pen, paint your thumb like this, all around it with a red color. If you can observe within 10-15 minutes, your headache is gone. And this also works like a magic. So regarding the color therapy, this works excellent in any time of a day, but it works at its highest extent during night time. So night is the best time because cosmic rays are so high, and we don't understand, but cosmic rays understand. When the thumb is painted red, there is something wrong with your brain. That's the reason it starts interacting with that color, with that particular point, and it will start working towards it. Same is with the lung point. When you paint your lung red at night time, right before you're going to bed, it will understand, okay, the cosmic rays, when they are high, they will understand, okay, this person has some problem with the lung point. That's the reason the lung point is painted, because this is purely based on the five elements that we all talk and we all experience all over our life in different aspects of our life. So, and I don't know if you guys hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Am I audible? Okay. So, Ms. Deepa, I'm sure you must have come across questions like in today's era. Uh, I'm sorry. Does the color therapy seeds help in preventing or curing any ailments?
Definitely. We have treated patients who have cancer. Definitely, when we take that kind of diseases, we make our choice. Like if a patient is at stage 1 of the cancer and the type of a cell, the cancer cell he has on his report, depending on that, we make a call because this is a natural therapy. It will take some time. So we also have to assess if the patient has that much time. But definitely, we treat anything from small headache till a cancer or thyroid or diabetes. So it is like there is nothing that cannot be cured by surgery.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Deepa here, hi. I have a question here for you. So, we have Richa here, and she has a 11 months baby. So, I was
Okay.
wondering if Sujok helps for toddlers, and if yes, so is there going to be any side effect while using Sujok treatment for toddlers?
Actually, has zero side effects. Sujuk never has any kind of a side effect because we don't do anything. We don't try to put anything inside your body. What we do is we use colors, we use seeds just to the correspondence point. Now, coming back to Richa's question, how can we treat a toddler? With toddlers, what we do is, see, we completely treat patient with the help of different kind of energies. So there is a different kind of energy between a child and a mother, at least for 3 years of their life. So when it comes to treating a toddler for any reason, we actually do the treatment on the mother. We don't do the treatment right on the toddler. But it is amazing how you can treat your mother's hand and you see the effect on a child's behavior or child's problem.